flooding and drought are sides of the same coin. And it was no more apparent during that time when I was there. We started off with, fairly reasonable amounts of water. Nothing really unusual, probably more inclined toward drought than anything. But what happened, again, this is all during Schwarzenegger's time. Around 2005 was the heavens opened up. And we had we had flooding in our part of the world, in this area. This also happened at an era of growth. There had been large-scale developments built, approved, and built, and still more to be built in the floodplains in the entire area from Sutter County to Stockton. And there was a confluence, literally, of rivers and rain and a few of us that were interested in flood control at the time when the heavens opened up and Schwarzenegger was there. Mine was the land use, involving local communities to incorporate flood into their general plans. I mean, I thought the whole world was going to come apart if this was signed. People were just, it was like I had mayors coming to me from everywhere who just said, you're going to kill us. It's in the Constitution. We're in charge. People won't build. I said, yeah, they'll build. You tell them that they have to build safely. And we had very much pictures of houses underwater. Not from 20 years ago, from 3 years ago. And it happened again in 2005. So, we fought those issues, and I had colleagues. It took a while. It took 2 or 3 years.